Travis with SERVPRO.
And I'm Evan with SERVPRO.
We're here today to talk about a couple pieces of equipment we utilize every day on water jobs.
Right, so first one we have here, dehumidifier, probably one of the most important. This is what's going to take all the humidity out of the air. So what's happening in the drying chamber, you're setting a fan on wet material. That fan's going to create evaporation. What you want to do is catch all that evaporation. That's what the dehumidifier is doing. It's going to bring it in the intake. It's going to condense the water molecules to freezing. They're going to drain down into a pan and then go drain out into your sink, wherever the closest drain is in the house. The idea is get all that humidity out of the air so we can start drying materials.
Exactly, and then we've got our air filtration device or air scrubber, and this is to clean and kind of purify the air, remove particles from the air, and make it a more conditioned living space.
Exactly, so when you're going through your water damage, you've got fans again. You're blowing air on, let's say, carpet, pad, you're trying to save everything, let's say it's category 1 loss.
Yeah.
You're still gonna create dust and a little bit of debris around the house. You always wanna have an air scrubber going. That comes in handy when we're doing demolition as well. We turn off all the regular drying equipment, or at least move it out of the room, make sure our air scrubber's running. This will be the intake, so thank you, sir.
Yeah.
It's got a filter on the inside, it's got a HEPA filter on the very inside, I should say. So we've got a primary filter, secondary filters. Your HEPA is what's getting all your microparticles, basically. So we'll get all the big stuff, chunks out. Then your HEPA is what's doing all of your bacteria, mold, spores, things like that. And then we exit, it's got an output, sorry. And this is what we're ducting straight out of the house. We don't want to try and recontaminate anything by any measure. Not to say that this would recontaminate a house, but the goal is get that air out still.
Exactly, and that's how SERVPRO makes it like it never even happened.